Maryland continues to defy national markets with less inventory and housing prices rising instead of falling. It's Friday, August 21st, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland has 15% fewer homes for sale. The average sales price rose 3.9% to $552,741 year over year, and the number of units sold compared to last year is virtually the same. Homes are selling in 18 days at 100% list to sold ratio with a sold price of $460,000. The Baltimore metro area buyer activity fell 5.7% year over year, and new contracts fell 10% from last year. The suburban market buyer activity decreased 13%, and new contracts are off 26% from last year. The mountain region buyer activity is off 6.8%, and new contracts are up 15.2% from last year. Southern Maryland buyer activity is actually up 16.6%, and new contracts are also up 9.6% year over year. Active rentals rose again this week to 3,693 properties, with the median list price rising to $2,700 per month. And over the past week, it's taking about 30 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 21st, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.